Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to cut audio in your Instagram Reels. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first guys, we're going to need the Instagram application. So if you haven't already, go to the App Store and download the Instagram application if you don't already have it, and after opening it up and logging into your account from which we want to upload the reels for, it's going to look like this. So by logging in, we'll be greeted by this main menu where at the bottom of the page, in the middle of the page, you'll have this plus button. By clicking the plus button in the middle of the page, this is now going to go ahead and enable us to select the video that we want to upload as a reel. So go ahead and select your video from your gallery, and after selecting, it's going to look like this. So this is now the main menu where we can get started managing our video before we upload it as a reel. So you can see right here at the left side of the screen, we have the edit video option. By clicking edit video, it's going to enable us to go ahead and open up our menu right here with our video and any audio we have. So as you can see, here is our audio that we can go ahead and get started adding. And once you add your audio on your video, it's going to appear exactly like this video right here. So you'll be able to tap on your audio, and after tapping on it guys, now you can go ahead and grab the yellow lines at the end and the beginning of the audio right here, and then you can go ahead and manage it how much you want to cut it. So as you can see, you can go ahead and turn it left or right to depend where you want it to end. You can even go and start from the beginning to take a look at from where you want the audios to start. So as you can see, you can select all the options right here. All of your cutting options are right here that you can go ahead and be using. So that's how you can get started cutting anything in your reel. And I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.